In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in a Volvo S80 key fob. This is a really easy process. You can do it yourself at home. All you'll need is a CR2032 battery. And if you don't have one of these lying around, you can go check out that first link in the description, which will take you over to Amazon where you can find these for a great price. The only other thing you'll need is just a regular flat-headed screwdriver. So the first step here is to look on the back. Down on the bottom, you see this panel here. On the bottom, there's a little opening. It's kind of hard to see, but right here, if you just stick your flathead screwdriver in there and try to pry it off, it will actually come right off, just like that. And with now we have this thing open, you can actually just dump the battery right out and dispose of your old battery, grab your new CR2032. And when you're putting it in, you want to make sure that this positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing up. And you can just slide that back in there. It's not going to really attach to anything. It's loose in there. But as long as you have it positive side up, you push it down in there. Once you put this back panel on there, it will all be held in place nicely. And you will be good to go with your new battery and your key fob. So that's all it takes. I hope this helped you out. If you liked the video, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a video just like this one.